Hello everyone, and welcome to my video about trading crypto options for beginners. As you may know, cryptocurrency has become a popular investment option in recent years, and trading options is one way to potentially profit from the market's volatility. However, trading options can be complex, so it's important to understand the basics before getting started. Firstly, let's define what a crypto option is. Simply put, it's a contract between two parties that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a specific amount of cryptocurrency at a predetermined price and time. Now, let's discuss some of the common terms you'll encounter when trading crypto options. The strike price is the predetermined price at which the option can be exercised, while the expiration date is the date on which the option expires. The premium is the price paid by the buyer for the option. To trade crypto options, you'll need to open an account with a crypto options exchange. Make sure to do your research and choose a reputable exchange with a user-friendly platform and transparent fees. When selecting an option to trade, consider the market conditions and your risk tolerance. Options can be used to generate income or hedge against potential losses, but they can also result in significant losses if the market moves against you. Finally, as a bonus point, I want to emphasize the importance of risk management when trading crypto options. It's crucial to have a clear plan in place for managing your risk and protecting your capital. This may include setting stop-loss orders or limiting the size of your trades. In conclusion, trading crypto options can be a profitable and exciting way to invest in the cryptocurrency market. Just remember to do your research, choose a reputable exchange, and practice sound risk management. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.